These thieves are targeting your valuables at a moment many don't even realize that they're vulnerable. Our Alex Hobson joins us live in Tampa tonight to explain it. Alex, this was a new one to me.
It's something many of us do all the time. I know I sure do. We go to get gas and leave our belongings right there on the seat. But after you see this video, you'll probably think twice.
It can happen in an instant. You're busy filling up your tank while a thief is busy taking your valuables right out from under you. Surveillance video shows the latest trick of the trade for thieves. Police call them sliders because of the way they slide between the cars and quickly snatch whatever is on the passenger seat or the floor.
If the person who's pumping gas is turned away from the car, it's just a perfect opportunity for them to, quietly sneak in, grab what they're looking for, and get back and make a quick getaway in the cars.
And these slippery sliders are being caught on camera all across the country, even here in Tampa. In some of the videos, the drivers realize what happened and chase the thieves down. But often the victims have no idea until it's too late.
It's very scary that someone could just surprise you and just steal all of your belongings.
Police call it a crime of opportunity and suggest drivers never leave their belongings unattended, even if it's only for a few seconds.
We want our residents to be aware that that trend is out there and to make themselves a harder target for those types of thieves.
Police say the best bet is just to take your purse or wallet with you, but if you must leave it unattended, they say lock the doors and store it out of sight. Reporting live in Tampa, Alex Hobson, ABC Action News.
Thank you, Alex. An incredible bust in Hernando County to tell you about tonight. Detectives discovered an elaborate underground grow house, and we have picture of it to show you. Take a look at this. Deputies say a marijuana grow room was dug out underneath a mobile home in Brooksville. It was only accessible by a trap door that was hidden under a bed in the spare room. Inside, detectives found 55 marijuana plants, 68 grams of processed pot, numerous drug paraphernalia items, and even a gun. Deputies arrested 3 people at that home. They each face a list of drug-related charges tonight. Jameson?
Now,